My name is Mike Jensen. I'm risk manager with Paul Davis Restoration of South Central Wisconsin. We're located at 120 North Parker Drive here in Janesville. We also have an office up in Cottage Grove. We're property damage assessment, mitigation, and repair contractors. So a general contractor that specializes in working with property owners and insurance company to assess damage at properties, determine what's the correct scope of work to repair that property or to return it to the pre-loss condition, and then we coordinate that work. We started in 1996. We actually started in Janesville. We had a small office with 2 people. We service the 9 the 9 counties in South Central Wisconsin, so up to the Wisconsin Dells area, down to the state line, over to like Dodgeville area, and then over to the east. I started as a technician with Paul Davis 20 years ago, and I specialize in the assessment and mitigation portion of the job. We're determining what was the cause of damage, what building materials are damaged, what materials need to be removed, what materials can be restored. We're writing an estimate for all that work, and then we carry out that work. I think a strength we have that other restoration companies don't have is we have a strong reconstruction capability. So after water damage or fire damage, we have the people who can go in and rebuild, not just clean up or dry out, but can rebuild the property. So in the past year, we've rebuilt several homes that have had catastrophic fires. We've rebuilt homes that were affected by the tornadoes last February or in June. I think that really sets us apart from other companies doing this work. We're not just doing the cleanup or the dry out, we're also doing the repair. So we're a full service general contractor, and we're very strong in reconstruction. Emergency response is a huge part of our work. We have an on-call crew 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round, and we're responding to fires and water damage or storm damage every day of the week. Saturday, Sunday, at night. I worked last night till 10 o'clock, so I mean, people are just out constantly. People don't plan to have a house fire or to have a sewage backup into their finished basement. It happens, and you need to respond immediately. Part of opening our office in Janesville is because we have a lot of work in Rock County and Walworth County. We wanted to have our office and warehouse and have a presence here so people are aware that we're here, but also so we can respond quickly to jobs in Rock County. In Janesville and Beloit is a very busy area for us. It's been really great having the office here. Our core values are deliver what you promise, respect the individual, have pride in what you do, and practice continuous improvement. So more and more as the company grows, we're putting more emphasis on creating an excellent work environment, and so where people can succeed and have a career in property damage restoration. So traditionally, there's been a high turnover rate at restoration companies. We have created an environment where people stay for and have a career at Paul Davis Restoration, and that's something that's made us really different and set us apart from other restoration companies. And we're always looking for new team members, so you can stop down and talk to me at the office if you're interested in working in property damage.